Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to log a call in Salesforce. What's quickly and easily so you can keep your records accurate and up to date. First, open Salesforce and click the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left corner. Next, choose the section where your call belongs, leads, contacts, accounts, or opportunities, and open the specific record. Once you're in the record, click the Activity tab. This is where you manage tasks, events, and calls. Look for the Log a Call option. It may appear as a button or inside a drop-down menu, depending on your setup. Now, fill out the call details. Subject, add a short title like follow-up call comments, write notes about the conversation, key points, and any follow-ups, name and related to. These usually autofill, but double-check for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your call will now appear in the activity timeline of the record. And that's it. You've just logged a call in Salesforce, a simple way to keep your communication organized and visible to your team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.